Hello, everybody, and welcome to Vaidya's Chess Up. Guys, I'm super excited because now we have the membership that has opened up, and I have created three distinct levels for acquiring the membership. See what is suitable and best for you. I'm sure you'll enjoy the experience. Use the join button now and select the plan that you like. We'll have silver membership, gold membership, and diamond membership. The details are there on the channel, but just quickly in a nutshell, the silver membership will mean that you'll officially be added on our WhatsApp group, and if the WhatsApp capacity is full, this limitation is not, then we'll add you onto the Telegram, public Telegram channel. In addition to that, as a silver member, you get to play a game with me whenever I'm streaming live, depending on, of course, your rating category. Under gold membership, you get everything that is there in the silver. Additionally, you will become an official member of the Vaidya's Chess Hub team, and that means you can play in the tournaments that the hub organizes for free. Diamond membership will include everything that is there in the silver and the gold, and additionally what you will get is coaching, feedback, and there will definitely be some videos made exclusively for the diamond memberships. And then there is not to forget that you will be added into the private Telegram channel where there will be puzzles, updates about the tournaments, and even a personal query will be handled. So I hope that you will choose wisely and you will enjoy the experience. And I hope that you will keep improving your chess. I'm super excited. I'm sure that you would also like it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.